Uncover the ultimate Google Forms hack. Get all answers super easy and fast. In today's video, I'm going to uncover the ultimate Google Forms hack. Yes, you heard that right. I'm going to show you how to get all the answers super easy and fast. So let's get started. If you've ever been stuck filling out a Google form or struggling to get all the answers, this hack is for you. So, Google Forms offers a pre-filled form feature that lets you quickly fill out answers to certain questions. All you need to do is open the Google form you want to hack. Now simply click on the three dots, and here you can find an option that says pre-fill form. Tap on it. Simply pre-fill the link at first. What you can do is, let's just do it, and like this. Now simply tap on get link. Now what you can do is tap on copy link. After filling the answers, Google Form will generate a pre-filled link with your answers. Simply copy the pre-filled link and paste it in your browser or send it to anyone who needs it. When they open it, it will be the answers, or all the answers will be pre-filled, making the process way faster. You can even use it to fill out multiple forms quickly. And that's it. You've just unlocked the ultimate Google Forms hack to get all your answers super easy and fast.